Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. So, today's topic is transport vehicles, उनके shapes, how to draw with shading, with angles, with basic steps. So, we will start how to draw that transport vehicles and shapes. Yeah, students. So start transport vehicles like a car, bus, bikes, and so first of all we start how to draw a car. Yeah, any four-wheeler. For example, first of all we draw a base, a straight line baseline, and decide tire shape with measurement, like 1 point here and 1 point here. Tire shape, first tire like a circle. You know previous year shapes and forms. Same condition here, that point. This basic point, and again what the anatomy part means, outer part. So like use light hold pencil and draw the simple free lines. Like my shape, I thought my shape is car shape is sporty look. So little bit here to here, then upper part, then downer after this, and again natural. It's a simple basic. First step is clear. This is our first step. Then second step, complete our drawing like base point, that some different shapes like here little bit, and final shape like this. Then glass, front mirror, upper part and back glass, bumper shape, then upper shape, yeah. So that gate shape here, gate shape, tire double lines, again that side, alloy wheel, same here. Okay, so our side auto means yeah. So light part, then backlight, that number plate, few important things. Okay, and little bit sporty design like this, and here little bit, yeah, that shape. So our side face is clear, that car side shape. Front some different, other 3D shape is different, it's a simple second shape and 2D. And finally, how to shade with lighting effect. So, you know very well, we use that earbud, simple earbud. Okay? So, again, shading first step is, first you decide where's light come. Like I think here's light come. Okay? So, that front part is a very light and back part is a very dark, but mid part is a middle shade. Okay? So, here we little bit shade. Simple single step pencil shading, and that this design may be extra dark. Front part shade are the end, that's why it's extra dark. Same back part. And downward part also. Second, that extra dark this shape actually okay, little bit side lines here, glass sheet, straight line, same back, and little bit front. Understand? It's not a final shading. It's a simple pencil lining and mixing. Pencil lining. How to mix? Use earbud and mix it. Dark to light. Same here. Very slowly and very light hold pencil. Means see, little bit some white part are there. See that? Why? It's like a shining part. That's why. And that is the darkest point. So, again dark to light. Again dark to light. This line is also extra dark. Here and most important part, eye forward. What? You know that when we shading start na, the hand. Glass sheet. Extra darkness. and again is the base part. So this is our car base. Again, little bit shading like a shadow. In some lines, downer lines is little bit extra dark. So students, our is complete with light and dark effects, with basic fundamentals and design, with measurement. Most important part is measurement. Okay. So students, in this way we learn how to draw transport vehicle, any four-wheeler vehicle side part with shading, measurement, important light and dark effect. So please do practice, plus take care, be healthy, be safe, stay home. Bye.